Hello everybody. In this video I will talk about tourism marketing. Tourism is a phenomena which entails movement of people from one place to another place, places that is different from their usual environment for the purpose of joy or business. Tourism marketing is a marketing process done by tourism service providers. Hotels, travel agencies, restaurants, guides are the tourism service providers. Tourism marketing is marketing process done by tourism service providers for making people of places different from the tourism destination and people from same place to know or make aware about the tourism products and services to improve sales of tourism products. This tourism service provider will be creating different kind of services like holiday trip plan, like amusement parks, like restaurants come up with different kind of food and beverages. So in order to make know about their products like travel and trip plans, about new destinations, new travel destinations, new products like new kind of food or local food of that local community, these tourism service providers have to do marketing of their products and services. That is part of the tourism marketing. Tourism marketing is the process used by entities of tourism industry to promote, sell their services and products. Tourism marketing plan. Budget is set for promotional spending. How much money is required to make that marketing plan or to execute that marketing plan? So initially it should be known or it should be estimated how much cost will be required for that promotional spending. It will be better to do partnership among local businesses if there are many nearby tourist destinations in a place or in a country. These tourism service providers can collaborate with the local communities, local business existing in the surrounding of that tourist destination. The partnership among local businesses can provide fuller travel experience cost effectively for the tourist. When the local communities come together, it will be better for this different tourism service provider to communicate, coordinate with each other. That tourism service provider not only talk about only their service and products, but they can communicate about other local businesses to the travelers, tourists also. That increases the scope of tourism. So it is necessary or it will be better to do partnership among local businesses that are available within the environment of this tourist destination. Characteristics of tourism marketing. Tourists are temporary for tourist destination. Tourists are exposed to good parts, that is the tourist destination, only for a shorter period of time. Tourism dependent businesses rely on other organization of industry different from tourism. That is the most essential thing that should be understood by each and every person involved within the tourism industry. Tourism cannot exist in isolation. Tourism industry cannot survive alone. There are different industries like food and beverage, transportation, security, entertainment. These industry must work correctly. For the transportation industry, roads, infrastructures must be very good. Tourists must be able to travel from one place to another place without any kind of difficulty. So in order to make this tourism industry flourish, it is very necessary for different industries to work properly. Different industries must be able to work properly without any problem. Then only this tourism industry can survive. Tourism industry is dependent upon other business organization or other industries. If food and beverage industry is not able to supply sufficient amount of food for tourists or for even its domestic customers, then what will they do? What the tourists will eat? Similarly, if security is not available within that environment, tourist destination environment, will it be possible to promote tourism in that sector? So we have to understand tourism is dependent upon lots of other different industries. Tourism market faces frequent changes. As it is already said, tourism is dependent upon different industries. Different industries will also change with the time. There will be different changes within the environment. So tourism marketing will be facing frequent changes from the environment. So how to handle that changes? It must be clearly understood by people of tourism. Tourism marketing should be combined with opportunities created by other industries, like local service providers, local hotels, which will be making local foods. That thing can be used by the tourism marketing. Local products that can be made as the selling point for the tourist by tourism service providers. So it is necessary that tourism market should be combined with different opportunities created by different industries. Tourism marketing or tourism industry should be able to take benefit from opportunities created by other industries. Tourism with volunteer opportunities. There are different kind of tourists. Some tourists can come to other people or other locations to provide volunteer services. People like to help other people. Some tourists may be very good with this infrastructure works. So the tourists from one place will come to another or go to another place for doing repairing of schools, installing water system in poor or naturally difficult communities. Sustainable tourism efforts also appeal to environmentally conscious travelers. Sustainable tourism focuses to create a balance between tourist activities and their effect on the surrounding environment, like promoting environmentally friendly products, energy saving upgrades. So we have to know what actions will help to make surrounding natural environment not to deteriorate. So on the basis of that, also tourism can be done. Most tourism marketing strategies include social media tools, email marketing, advertising, and using of the websites. Effective strategies for tourism marketing are: first, it should be understood where to do market, where are the customers. Then, create the unique customer experience or your customer persona can be created. What kind of customers are to be served? Imaginary image of customer can be created and thought, okay, these are the services that will be appropriate for that customer. Put effort into search engine optimization, content marketing. Nowadays, this is the digital media's time. People will be creating different kinds of digital media and publishing in the internet. So in order to make those contents available in the internet or making people's find those digital contents easily, it is necessary to do search engine optimization. Those contents should be developed or organized in such a way that search engines like Google can find those contents easily. Which travelers will be using search engines to find information about service, products, tourist destinations. So this, so the people of this travel tourism industry should know how to sell their products, how to make their products available or easily searchable within the internet. Try influential marketing. Try to influence tourists. Come up with the different ideas to influence tourists. Encourage user generated content. Provide environment where users can create their own content. This tourism industry components like hotel, restaurants, travel agencies, different things can have their own website or social media pages. Allow users to create content within their website, within their social media pages. That will make tourists feel, okay, I'm doing something for that organization. That will encourage to create the environment of collaboration among different travelers. So it is necessary to encourage users to generate content and publish in the website of these travel and tourism service providers. Build a strong review. Provide good things about this tourist destination. What the guest who have already visited that destination, what they have to say. Get the good review from those people. And to get good review, it is necessary to provide good service. The tourism industry people must be able to develop services which are very, very wonderful or better for the guest. If the tourists can get better service, definitely they'll provide better reviews. So it is necessary to plan tourism properly. Thank you.